Good morning, students. Today I am going to start chapter 19, When the Disaster Came. In this chapter, we will study about the natural disaster like earthquake and flood. So, what is the disaster? We can say disaster is an event that cause a lot of harm or damage. डिजास्टर हम उसको बोल सकते हैं जिसकी वजह से हमें बहुत हार्म हो और जो भी थिंग्स हैं, हाउसेस हैं, वो डैमेज हो जाए. So, if we want to define the disaster, we can say disaster is an event that cause a lot of harm or damage. So then there are two types of disaster, natural and man-made disaster. So there are many natural disaster like earthquake, flood, storm and many more that bring devastation along with them. जब भी disaster आते हैं अपने साथ devastation लाते हैं. Devastation means we can say that तबाही और we can say the नुकसान. जब भी डिजास्टर आते हैं चारों ओर क्या हो जाता है, नुकसान हो जाता है. मेन ओनली क्रिएट सम ऑफ दीज प्रॉब्लम्स एंड समवेयर द माउंटेन्स हैव बीन ब्रोकन एंड समवेयर द अर्थ हैव बीन एक्सकेवेटेड इन डेप्थ. सो द फॉरेस्ट ऑल्सो हैव बीन डिस्ट्रॉयड बाय मैन फॉर हिज ओन बेनिफिट एंड दे आर ऑल्सो लीडिंग फॉर द डिजास्टर्स. And excessive excretion of underground water and natural resources have been done. So if we talk about the earthquake, there is an earthquake that came on 26 January 2001 in a Kutch of Gujarat. So many people and cattle were killed due to this earthquake. Whenever there is an earthquake, जब भी earthquake आता है, we should immediately come out of our house. जब भी ऐसा लगता है कि the earth is shaking, so there is the sign of the earthquake, we should immediately come out of our houses in an open area. And if you are unable to go out, then you have to sit under any sturdy place like table, etc. until the vibration of the earth stop. सो जब भी अर्थक्वेक आता है सबसे पहले तो आपको अपने घर से बाहर निकल जाना है और ओपन एरिया में जाना है. एंड इफ़ यू आर नॉट एबल टू गो आउट देन यू हैव टू सिट इन अ स्टडी प्लेस लाइक टेबल until the vibration of the earth stop. And nowadays the engineers showed some design of earthquake residence houses and they also ask people to construct their house accordingly. जितने भी इंजीनियर हैं आजकल वो एडवाइस देते हैं कि जो भी अर्थक्वेक जिन एरिया में आता है उधर वो रहते हैं तो जो हाउस बनाते हैं वो ऐसे ही बनाए कि वो अर्थक्वेक रेजिडेंस हो. एंड द अर्थक्वेक अकर्स ड्यू टू द वी कैन से द अर्थ हाउ द अर्थक्वेक कैम, व्हाई द अर्थक्वेक अकर. सो एन अर्थक्वेक अकर्स ड्यू टू द मूवमेंट इनसाइड द अर्थ क्रस्ट. अर्थ की जो क्रस्ट में जो मूवमेंट होता है उसकी वजह से अर्थक्वेक्स आते हैं. एंड इफ द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ एन अर्थक्वेक जो है वो उसकी इंटेंसिटी कितनी है उसको मेजर करने के लिए जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज किया जाता है दैट इज नोन एज रिएक्टर स्केल. सो वी कैन से द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ एन अर्थक्वेक इज मेजर्ड ऑन अ रिएक्टर स्केल. So then if we talk about the intensity of the earthquake, we can say the intensity of earthquake is measured on a Richter scale. When the intensity of an earthquake is more than 5, then the building can collapse, and when it is less than 5, then we feel the vibration only. रिएक्टर स्केल पे अगर 5 इंटेंसिटी आई है तो जो बिल्डिंग्स है वो कोलैप्स होने शुरू हो जाती है, टूटने लग जाती है. And if the intensity is lesser than 5, then we feel only the vibration. And when there is an earthquake, the things will seem be shaking and there is a cracks develop in the walls of the houses. And if the house is made up by the earthquake residence, then an earthquake residence house can tolerate an earthquake of 7 Richter intensity. So we can say the earthquake is a natural calamity and it causes loss of people, animals and property at a large scale. So what can we do for the people they are suffering for the earthquake, or we can say which help we have complete for the people in the time of earthquake. So we can say we will provide food, clothes, medicines, to the people. They are the earthquake victims, and we also provide them medicine and shelter. We will call ambulance for the injured person, and we will displace the victims to a safe place. So then our next topic is flood. So if there is a continuous and heavy rainfall, it leads to flood. And sometimes if there is a continuous and heavy rainfall, it leads to power failure, and there is a darkness everywhere. Water is seen everywhere, and roof of the kacha house start leaking. Sometimes dams are also affected. The household articles and utensils are found floating in water. People take their children and go towards high altitude areas. All the huts are submerged in flood water. The roof of the house is broken. And the branches of the trees are also broken. Dead animals and dead birds are seen floating in a flood water. So most of the affected people that stand helplessly in this situation. Most of the villages suffer in a worse condition. Many of the villagers also get carried away with the flowing of water. So there is no sign of the presence of kacha house also. There is only broken house and walls are remains of some part of the houses. Some of the pakka houses are also damaged, and due to the moisture there is a moss grow in a wall of the house, and there is a foul smell everywhere. The entire area become very muddy. So due to the flood, it also cause much damage in a house and in the farm. The household things are damaged, and the crops in the farm are also washed away. We can say the hut and the kacha houses get destroyed, and many diseases also spread due to the mud and due to the accumulation of water. So what can we do if the peoples are suffer from the flood? We can help the victims of flood by the many ways: by displacing them to a safe higher area, by providing them food, clothes, shelter and medicines, by informing the administration as early as possible, and by making them aware of spread of disease and the way of preventing them. So then after the natural disaster, all the governments also provide quick relief and help to the suffered people at their level best. नेचुरल डिजास्टर के बाद गवर्नमेंट जो होती है, गवर्नमेंट के जो ऑफिसर्स होते हैं वो भी बहुत जल्दी से सारी जो भी सुविधाएं हैं वो उनको प्रोवाइड करवाते हैं. Along with government, all local police, administration, soldiers, social worker and doctor also help the suffered people. So student, your chapter is complete. I hope you understood this chapter. So read this chapter.